Okay, welcome guys. Today I want to talk about how you can convert your gift back to coin on TikTok. It's quite simple. Firstly, you make sure you download a VPN that will get you to Brazil location. So let's go to Play Store to download it. Okay. Now I'm on Play Store. Just type Brazil VPN here in the search box. Then you click on search. Okay. Click this second option, the one that has a VPN on it. You can see that has this red tape VPN on it. It's the one that actually worked for me. Okay, you can see installed on it. I've already installed it. Okay, so after installing it, then let's go to our before I run that VPN, make sure you firstly open your TikTok page on Chrome. So you type tiktok.com/coin. Yeah, this is what you type, tiktok.com/coin on your Chrome browser. You can see, because I have not run the VPN, it wrote what recharging on tiktok.com is currently unavailable in your region. The main reason why I said you should open this page is because if you have not logged in with your Chrome browser before, so if you open it with Chrome now, before showing this page, you have to log in first. So it will show you how you are going to log in. You must log in with Chrome before you run the VPN browser, because if you log in after running the VPN app, you won't be able to get the code for you to log in. Maybe you are using your phone number to log in on TikTok. You won't be able to get the code based on the country international number. It won't bring a Nigeria international number, so it will be bringing Brazil international number. So it will be sending the code to wrong number. So you have to log in before you run the VPN. Now this is showing this because I've logged in. So let me now go and run the VPN browser. Okay. Now this is the VPN. Okay. It's on a Brazil location by default. If you want to change it, you can click on this arrow. You can see we have a lot of Brazil location there. Just select one. So I select Brazil one. Then you click on this switch beneath it. This pink switch beneath it. So let's wait. It's connected. Yeah. So let me now go back to my Chrome browser to run it again. Let me now go back to my tiktok.com/coin. Okay. Now I'm on a Brazil location now. You can see the page we open right now. The page we open. You can see the page has opened. You can see my accounts. So you scroll down. You can see exchange for coin. Here, exchange for coin. Okay, that is, you can exchange your gift for coin back. So let's click on it. Okay. So you can click on custom to select the amount coin you want to buy with your gift. Okay, let me select like 20 coin now. Okay, you can see I've selected like 20 coin. So let me exchange it. You can see exchange completed. It shows that I've done that. So let me now, before I go to my main TikTok page to show you my coin, before I go to my TikTok page, I will make sure I off the VPN back so that I won't use that VPN. I want to use that VPN to open my main TikTok app. So
The UltraFX trading app combines everything you need for.
I've disconnected it now. Please don't open the TikTok app with the VPN. You only run the VPN with your TikTok app on a Chrome. Don't open your main TikTok page with VPN. Now I've I've stopped the VPN. I'm now in Nigeria now, presently. I'm in Nigeria now, presently. So let's check. You can see you exchange $0.20 for 20 coin. So it's open to my notification page straight on my TikTok page.